What if I told you that most Americans are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year? By the time you finish watching this video, you'll know the exact strategies that could increase your Social Security benefits by up to $1,000 per month. And yes, these strategies work even if you're already receiving benefits. I'm going to share 5 proven strategies that financial advisors charge hundreds of dollars to explain. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because the Social Security Administration doesn't advertise these tactics, and most people discover them too late. Here's what we'll cover: the delayed retirement credit secret, the spousal benefit loophole, the earnings test workaround, the tax optimization strategy, and the file and suspend alternative that still works in 2025. Strategy number 1 is what I call the patience payday. For every year you delay claiming Social Security past your full retirement age until age 70, your benefits increase by 8%. That's guaranteed. Better than most investments. Let's say your full retirement benefit is $2,500 at age 67. If you wait until 70, that becomes $3,100 per month. That's $600 more every single month for the rest of your life. Over 20 years, that's an extra $144,000. But here's the catch most people miss. This only works until age 70. After 70, there's zero benefit to waiting longer. Strategy 2. The spousal benefit goldmine. If you're married, your spouse can claim up to 50% of your full retirement benefit, even if they never worked or have low earnings. Here's the advanced move. The higher earning spouse delays until 70, while the lower earning spouse claims their benefit early. Then, when the higher earner finally claims at 70, both benefits are maximized. I've seen couples increase their combined benefits from $3,200 to over $4,000 per month using this strategy alone. That's nearly $10,000 more per year. Strategy 3. Beat the earnings test. In 2025, if you're under full retirement age and still working, you can earn up to $23,400 without losing benefits. Earn more, and Social Security takes back $1 for every $2 over the limit. But here's the workaround. Time your income strategically. Take bonuses in January after you reach full retirement age. Convert traditional IRA money to Roth before claiming. Use these techniques to stay under the earnings limit while still maximizing your total income. Strategy 4 is the tax trap most retirees fall into. Up to 85% of your Social Security can be taxable if your combined income exceeds $34,000 for singles or $44,000 for couples. Combined income is your adjusted gross income plus non-taxable interest plus half your Social Security. But here's what financial advisors know: you can control this. Do Roth conversions before claiming Social Security. Use tax-free municipal bonds. Time your retirement account withdrawals. I've seen people cut their tax bill on Social Security from $5,000 to zero using these strategies. Strategy 5. The file and suspend alternative. The old file and suspend ended in 2016, but there's still a way to get similar benefits. If you were born before January 2, 1954, you can still use restricted application to claim spousal benefits while letting your own benefit grow. If you're younger, here's the new strategy. Claim your benefit and invest the difference. If you're healthy and have longevity in your family, taking benefits early and investing aggressively in tax-advantaged accounts can sometimes beat waiting, especially in low-interest environments. Bonus strategy. Check your earnings record every year at ssa.gov. Errors can cost you thousands. I found a client was missing $50,000 in earnings from 1987. That mistake would have cost her $200 per month for life. And here's one more. If you were married for 10 years or more and are now divorced, you might be eligible for benefits on your ex-spouse's record even if they've remarried. This doesn't reduce their benefits at all. Here's your action plan. First, create your account at ssa.gov and check your earnings record. Second, calculate your break-even age for claiming early versus waiting. And third, consider getting a professional Social Security analysis that typically pays for itself within a few months. If this saved you money, smash that like button and subscribe for more retirement strategies. Until next time, secure your future.